We made sure that in this year's school calendar, teachers will have 30 straight days of rest during the break. Without any DepEd activity that requires volunteer work. Ay mong kaguol kay principal, kaya kami bahala niya. All activities with voluntary participation is scheduled after the said 30-day break. So, kung ambot o kanang ganahan pa ba mo magbasa og department order, pero katong department order nga naa didto ang school calendar,